oh, I got to buy this massive system. We can automate to suit your needs, okay? We bring solutions of varying types.
YCM and the YCM Alliance. I love talking about this product technology for you guys out there. We do have an elephant in the room, which is that banner over there. We're going to talk about that in just a minute, but I have Mel with me today. We're going to talk a little automation because Mel and I are both massive advocates of automation. We're going to talk about the YCM machine. I'm seeing maybe a 3+2 and a full 5-axis over there, a little bit of the differences between the two machines and the capabilities of the YCM machine as well. And then we're going to probably close on that elephant in the room over there. So, Mel, good to have you, my friend. Really love talking YCM. Great Taiwanese machine, really well known in Taiwan, really growing here in the US. So let's talk about some of the capabilities, the precision, the real bang for the buck that comes with the YCM machine.
Tony, you're absolutely correct. These machines bring a lot of feature and a lot of benefit to our customers. Tolerance, you want tight tolerance, we can give it to you, okay? These machines are fully capable of one-off product or, multiple loads, doing automation as you talked about. What I like about them is the only constraint is your imagination.
Ooh, man, I like that.
So when you come to YCM and the Alliance, we offer you solutions, not just a product. We offer you the solutions for people.
I like that very much, and I like that the creativity is so important, and we do get extra creative these days, right? It's not just a 2-axis or a 3-axis milling machine. We can do so much, and the software that goes along with it. Now, that's what YCM can bring, but I'm standing in front of a great Aroa system solution pallet change system right now, and you and I feel very similar when it comes to pallet change or when it comes to automation in general, right?
Oh, absolutely.
It's the way of the future. It's the way of the now. It's how we compete both domestically and globally. What is your opinion of automation and its importance?
If you're not looking at automation today, you're going to fall behind quickly. It's going to pass you by, and what's going to happen is your competition's going to eat you up. Okay, you want to be a part of growing your business. You want to incorporate automation.
Yeah, I could not agree more. It is so incredibly important. I mean, even if I just took a moment to look the audience in the eye and say, guys and gals out there, this is not just a passerby situation. This is so important. And people like you, people like the YCM Alliance, won't just leave you stranded, sell you a product, and then disappear. Their service and support is here to make sure that once you talk about that automation, once you implement that automation, it will be supported the entire time, right?
Exactly. The nice thing about it is once you get into automation, you can start off simple and then grow into it. Okay, it's not, oh, I got to buy this massive system. We can automate to suit your needs. Okay, we bring solutions of varying types.
You know, we have this conversation about automation regularly. I'm going to take this opportunity to speak with you about it, and it's the fact of the nights and weekends. It's the fact of, investing in it up front. Sometimes people go, oh, I don't know if I have the budget for it, Mel. I don't know if I can do that. But aren't we supposed to be looking at price per part? Aren't we supposed to be looking at the fact that we do have a labor shortage? Aren't we supposed to be looking at the end of the day, we're profiting more, but we need to make that investment?
All those are great key points, Tony. The other thing that you got to look at is, besides being able to run nights and weekends, what about your own time, okay? How do I be able to go set up another machine? How do I process another part? If I got to tend that machine, I don't have to do that when I have automation.
Yeah, you're absolutely right as well. And I like that point. Now, I want to bring this back to YCM a little bit for everyone who's watching right now and go, okay, well, now that we know the importance of automation, in case we didn't know it before, which you probably did, but in case we didn't, we know the importance of automation. Nights, weekends, it's become the second shift, the third shift, but you have to have a machine that is reliable. You have to have a machine we're confident to walk away from. You have to have a machine that when a part comes off of it, it's a good part. And YCM brings that technology to make sure and brings that confidence.
Absolutely. People start to look at our equipment, they look at the way it's built, and they start to recognize the quality and the manufacturing processes that guarantee that quality. That's why they like YCM.
I like that as well, Mel. And what I'm going to close this out with is because we've talked about automation, we've talked about quality, we've talked about YCM and precision. they wouldn't give a 3-year warranty if they didn't believe in the product, would they?
They would not do that. That's exactly right. Gives you a peace of mind, but you know what? They're reliable. People love them. Sign up, see what we can offer you.
And 3 years, are you kidding me? That is confidence when you talk about how expensive a machine can be, but how cost effective it can be as well. But when we think about the investment to go, what machine do I want? Why do I want to invest? Service and support, automation. Wait a second, 3-year warranty as well? You mean that comes with it? I mean, that's outstanding.
Exactly. People look to us and say, what can you do for us? Here's what we can do for you. And build confidence. You're going to have confidence that you're going to be able to produce the product.
Thank you so much, Mel. That is incredible value. And one thing I really love about the YCM Alliance is the slogan that goes along with it. And what we're doing together, and what you're doing together here, and what we're doing together with the audience, thank you all for watching, is, what's that slogan?
Make it better together.
Make it better together. This is my buddy Mel. This is the YCM Alliance, and this is automation with the YMCM machines. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate your time. Mel, thank you for joining me. I appreciate you also.
Thank you, Tony. It's a pleasure.